Hey, it's Sean from P2R. We're finally back with you with another TLX Type S video. The last couple of months, we've still been continuing to work on the car, continuing to release new modifications. Since we last released a video, we've released a intercooler charge pipe. We've also done a silicone intake tube, a high flow air filter. The car is actually sitting lower now. It looks really nice sitting on the Swift lowering springs. The car is quite a bit quicker. We've also installed the JB4 tuner. We did some exhaust modifications. We did a thermal gasket, a couple of billet, nice accessories like the billet wall cap, CNC ported intake manifold, bored throttle body. I mean, we pretty much got a lot of the bolt-ons covered at this point, and the car is feeling a lot better than before. It's quite a bit quicker. It's a blast to drive. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to take it to the racetrack because we just lost our local track, Palm Beach International Raceway. But the butt dyno says that it feels really well. Eventually, we're going to go back out to an actual all-wheel drive dyno, do some more, I wouldn't say tuning because we don't have tuning ability yet, but just to see where we're at horsepower-wise from now compared to when we first bought the car. I know many people were disappointed on the horsepower numbers then, but I can tell you that the car definitely feels a lot better. It sounds a lot better, and it's way more of a blast to drive now than it was. Again, it's a beautiful car. Love driving it, awesome daily, and we look forward to just continuing to develop new product for it. If you enjoyed this video or just want to learn more on the all-new TLX Type S, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and just follow along as we continue to develop more products for this car. And come back and watch us again.